In today's show, we'll be discussing a Bitcoin boom incoming. Bitcoin is pumping as I'm recording this right now, up 7.95%, currently trading at $10,672 and the BTC price is eyeing $11,000 right now. And on today's show, we'll be breaking down the Bitcoin price action along with its current parabolic path. We'll also be discussing the BTC dominance climbing to 70% over at CoinMarketCap as Max Keiser tweets, "Alts never coming back. Sorry." So what's the future of altcoins? We'll be discussing that and so much more in today's show. Here at Crypto News Alerts, I drop a new episode every day, so be sure to click that subscribe button as well as the bell icon to receive notifications of the latest crypto news. All right, so let's get right into today's show. As you can see, the entire crypto market is pumping with Bitcoin leading the way. BTC up 7.54%, Ether up 3.63%, XRP up 2.11%, Miss Litecoin up 5.18%, BNB is up 0.34%, EOS is up 2.72%. Awesome, right? All right, so let's take a look over here at the 4-hour BTC charts. You can see where we're currently at. We just had this parabolic climb, which is awesome. We bounced from a low of about $9,300 all the way to about the $10,700 mark. And in a very short period of time, too. That's what makes this Bitcoin thing so exciting, doesn't it? Now let's take a look at the exponential moving averages. You can see where the strong supports are currently at. We have the purple one right here, which is currently at about the $10,250 to $10,300 mark. We have this green one and blue one crossing upwards in momentum at about 10,100, 10,200. Then we have the red one here also ascending up right now at about 99.34. Okay, now that we're looking at the daily chart, I want to point something out. You'll notice back at the end of April is when things started pushing forward with bullish momentum, and we started ascending big time, going to almost $14,000, I think about the $13,800 mark. This started the bull cycle of 2019. Then after that, we had a very healthy consolidation, ultimately dipping all the way down to about $9,100, which is about right here. And then slowly but surely, we started gaining bullish momentum once again, followed by a healthy consolidation. And now it looks like we're entering this fourth parabolic phase of Bitcoin, according to crypto expert Peter Brandt. And we actually covered this on yesterday's show. If you missed it, Peter Brandt predicts that Bitcoin will rise to over $100,000. Now I'm going to actually show you a tweet from a trader by the name of Luke Martin, who called BTC's rise right before Monday's rally began. Here's what he said on Twitter. BTC map for the rest of the week. As long as price is above the range low of 9,800 to 9,900, I favor staying long. The next condition that would lead to high conviction play similar to today would be closing above 10,900 using early August levels as a guide, as he pinpoints right here in this graph. And then we have the infamous crypto analyst Josh Rager, who tweeted, BTC dominance monthly chart looks like the end of the bottom of a market. Looks as if BTC.D capitulated, V bottom followed by a very strong recovery at 72% now, the highest since July of 2017. With backed coming, we may not see a strong pullback in BTC market dominance anytime soon. And another analyst known in the industry as Mr. Anderson from the Matrix tells his crew of 41,000 followers on Twitter that Bitcoin bulls are not out of the woods yet. He's looking for BTC to move above the resistance at 10,600, which it looks like we just did. He wrote and tweeted, for now, life below 9,800 gets scary for bulls. Life above 9,800 is safer for bulls, with life above 10,600 scary for bears. Bulls would like to gain the 21 and 55 daily EMAs on spot futures. Bears obviously want to defend and hold them. Bulls still have big boy 128s, 144, 200s daily. And then we have Crypto Thieves, who says BTC has filled my criteria needed to switch to bullish for short term. Enjoy the ride. Cheers. So as you can see, the sentiment of the market right now is bullish. Meanwhile, we have 40-year veteran trader Peter Brandt, who called Bitcoin's big drop in January of 2018. He says he believes Monday rally proves BTC has cemented its status as the crypto with the most proven value. Brandt says BTC may be shattering its fourth parabolic bull cycle, and it's poised to rally to $100,000. All right, now let's talk about the fate of the altcoins. Max Keiser tweeted, "Alts never coming back, sorry," accompanied by this graph which shows Bitcoin. It shows Ethereum. You can see the descending line of it just crashing. You can see XRP just crashing. You can see Bitcoin Cash crashing, and you can see Litecoin just crashing. Yup, Bitcoin now has the highest share of the overall crypto market since before its record-breaking $20,000 bull run in 2017. According to data from major monitoring resource CoinMarketCap, Bitcoin now accounts for 70.5% of the total crypto market cap as of September 3rd. Bitcoin market cap hits pre-$20,000 high. That figure has not been since March 2017 and comes as the BTC/USD makes gains at the altcoin's expense. As Cointelegraph reported, continued underperformance in cryptocurrencies other than Bitcoin has triggered warnings from traders and analysts alike. Among them are Peter Brandt and RT host Max Keiser, the latter again claiming this week that altcoins would never recover from this downturn. Alts never coming back, sorry, he tweeted on September 3rd, which I showed you, also referencing the market cap statistics. Brandt reiterated similar warnings. When will altcoin junkies understand that BTC is the crypto with real and lasting value, wrote Brandt, who added, altcoins are to Bitcoin what lead is to gold. Market cap readings set highs across the board. Bitcoin itself delivered a sudden return to form late on Monday, having previously dropped to just 93.50 at press time on Tuesday. BTC was circling at 10,360, bringing 24-hour gains to 6.2%. Altcoins in the top 20, however, mostly failed to achieve more than 4%, meaning they in fact lost value in Bitcoin terms. Some commentators voiced caution about placing faith in Bitcoin's strength. Market cap, they argued, is a poor measure of performance as it includes many altcoins which do not even have any real trading volume. All right, and as we take a look over at CoinMarketCap, we can see the BTC dominance now officially 70.5%. We can see Bitcoin up almost 8% in the past 24 hours, currently trading at $10,654. Ethereum is up 3.7%. I mean, most of the crypto market is pumping right now. Let's check out the biggest gainers. We got Redcoin up 21%, V Systems up 15%, Quant up 12%, Hedge Trade up 10%, Made Safe Coin up 10%. And then let's see the biggest losers. Ren down 8%, Bytecoin down 7.5%, Engine Coin down 6.39%, and OneChain down 5.72%. All right, now taking a look over at the BitMEX margins, we can see the bulls are dominating with over 420 million superiority, currently 54.6% longs versus 45.4% shorts. Now, you must admit, there is a very special bullish sentiment right now, and I haven't experienced this personally since the end of 2017. Are we in the fourth parabolic phase of Bitcoin? I personally believe so, but also note, I do not give financial advice. And if you do invest into cryptocurrency or trading, or better yet, trading cryptocurrency, always be sure to do so at your own risk. And with that being said, there is a halving right around the corner, May of 2020. There is a backed futures launch bringing in lots of institutional money to flood the crypto markets. There is an economic crisis going on. There's fake gold bars flooding the markets. You know what I mean? Is Bitcoin a safe haven? Absolutely. There's economic turmoil. Places like Argentina experiencing their peso being devalued, and then the government giving them limits on saying they cannot dump more than $10,000 USD worth of their worthless currency, which is being devalued. This makes Bitcoin the holy grail. You know what I mean? It protects from the deflation from government and an economy that is printing money. What I'm trying to say is this. We trust in encryption. We trust in mathematics, but we do not trust these corrupt politicians. We do not trust these corrupt central bankers and establishments and governments who are trying to issue us digital fiat. It will never work. Bitcoin is the only true decentralized cryptocurrency because there is no Satoshi Nakamoto. It's not Craig Wright, as some of you may believe. Or is it? What do I know? But all I know is this: Bitcoin is heading to the moon. There is a rocket ship taking off. And the only question is, are you coming with us? My personal prediction is Bitcoin will surpass the $20,000 all-time high before the end of this year. And by the time of the 2020 halving in May, I do believe Bitcoin will be trading at above $40,000, and I think it will close the year above $80,000 and potentially above $100,000. There you have it. I'm just putting it out there. Well, that concludes today's show. As always, I appreciate you tuning in. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button as well as click the bell icon to receive notifications of the latest crypto news. Oh yeah, don't forget to check out the description below for some incredible resources to help you take your crypto game to that next level. I am out. Peace.